The video will be about salt chemistry MCQs. In this video, we will find the value of X given in a reaction, whether X will be towards the product side or will be towards the reactant side. The X will be the unknown compound. A compound X reacts with concentrated nitric acid and gives picric acid. The compound X is pentane, pentene, phenol, and benzol. There is another name for picric acid that is known as 2,4,6-trinitrophenol. When the concentrated nitric acid reacts with phenol, and it will produce a 2,4,6-trinitrophenol, that is also known as picric acid. So the phenol, when react with nitric acid, it will produce picric acid. So the answer is phenol. A compound acts on heating with iodine in the presence of sodium hydroxide gives iodoform. Identify X, whether it is formic acid, acetic acid, ethyl alcohol, acetyl chloride. Iodoform is formed when ethanol reacts with iodine in the presence of sodium hydroxide. There are two methods for the preparation of iodoform. When ethanol reacts with iodine in the presence of sodium hydroxide, the iodoform will be produced. And the second method is when acetone reacts with iodine in the presence of aqueous sodium carbonate, and it will produce a iodoform. Now here the sodium hydroxide is given, and among the option there is no option for acetone. So in the presence of sodium hydroxide, ethyl alcohol react with iodine and it will produce iodoform. So the answer is ethyl alcohol. Alkyl magnesium halide reacts with acetaldehyde to form an intermediate which on hydrolysis on dilute HCl form the final product X. Identify X, whether it is primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, tertiary alcohol, and carboxylic acid. So these are the products given for X. We will find what is the correct answer among all these. So first we will react the Grignard reagent, that is the alkyl magnesium halide with different compounds, and these products will be formed. So we will find the product which one is the suitable product for acetaldehyde. Grignard reagent, when react with formaldehyde, it will produce primary alcohol. Grignard reagent, when react with aldehyde other than formaldehyde, it will produce secondary alcohol. Grignard reagent, when react with ketone, it will produce tertiary alcohol. And Grignard reagent, when react with carbon dioxide, it will produce carboxylic acid. So all these products are formed by reacting a Grignard reagent with compounds. Now the question is about the reaction of Grignard reagent with acetaldehyde, that is aldehyde. So there are two aldehydes given. One is formaldehyde. Formaldehyde is the basic or the first aldehyde group that has H instead of alkyl group, and aldehydes are the all aldehydes except formaldehyde. So this will be the correct answer when the Grignard reagent react with aldehyde, because acetaldehyde is aldehyde, not formaldehyde, and it will produce a secondary alcohol. So secondary alcohol is the answer. A compound X is obtained when benzene is treated with an acyl halide in the presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride. The compound X possibly is toluene, acetophenone, acetone, diphenyl ketone. So when benzene reacts with acyl halide in the presence of aluminum chloride, a compound X will be obtained. We will find this compound X. Benzene, when react with acyl halide in the presence of aluminum chloride to produce acetophenone, and the reaction is known as Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. So benzene, and this is acetyl chloride, When this chloride bonds break, it will produce an electrophile. The electrophile will attach itself with benzene ring, and it will remove further H ion from this benzene ring. So acetophenone will be formed, and the H ion that is removed from the benzene ring, it will combine with chloride and it will produce HCl. So the acetophenone will be the answer.